That Bertram is running late, and I wanted to put both together running in the same track, but unfortunately I need to ship this today, and that one is really late. And I'm shipping this Bertram to Chattanooga, Tennessee. I gotta do a few tests to make sure it works as it should. Yes, it's working. Now, actually, I'm going to put it, do a test on the slope tracks, just in case, but it's working great. All right, Bertram in a slope track test. Yep, it is working perfect in slope tracks. Yep. Ooh, a really nice Bertram. This one is 2009 Hitoy company, and there is no corrosion in the battery terminals. I wish to have the other one in hand so I can put them both at the same time, but anyways, this one goes to Chattanooga, Tennessee. All right, thank you.